Now, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to do is show the exploded view. This is used for two purposes: to show how this assembly is disassembled in a two-dimensional drawing, but also to animate assembly and disassembly of this part. So I'm going to start by going to the exploded view icon, click on that, and now I need to get the screw. It's kind of hard to, there's a screw. Click on that. It gives me arrows and a way to rotate. I don't want to rotate, I just want to pull it up out of the way. And that's done. That's explode step 1. Explode step 2, click on the collar. To include more than one thing, control click on something else. Now these will both move together. I think this is, I'll get it nice and far. There we go. That ought to do it. I can edit later. I'm going to pause the video for just a second to explode the other things. It's the same procedure as before, what you've seen before. Now I've got all my explode steps. They're out and done. Just click explode, the green check mark, and it's exploded. Now you can go to the configuration menu, and the explosion should be right there. Explode step 1, 2, 3. So I can collapse, right click, animate, or here I'm animating it. There's the animation tool up here. It's looping. I can make it animate one time through. There's one time through. Or loop it. You can make it go half as fast just to make sure you can see what's going on. Go slower this time. Now get out of here. I want it collapsed. Right click, collapse. That's explosion. Short video this time.